discuss tangent law and tangent galvanometer. What is a tangent galvanometer? Tangent galvanometer is an electrical device. It measures the small amount of current in the electric circuit. Tangent galvanometer is an electrical device to measure small amount of current in the electrical circuit. The tangent in this type of galvanometer is a moving magnet type of galvanometer. This is a moving magnet type of galvanometer. This galvanometer is working based on tangent law. This galvanometer is working based on tangent law. The tangent galvanometer is an electrical device. Is measure the very small amount of current. This galvanometer moving magnet type of galvanometer. This work is based on tangent law. What is a tangent law? The two magnetic field to act on mutually perpendicular to each other. Mutually perpendicular to each other. One is a B, other one is a B gauge. B, other one is a B gauge. Two magnetic fields act on mutually perpendicular direction at this place. At particular place, this magnet needle is freely suspended. Magnet needle is freely suspended. This magnet needle come to rest on the resultant of the two field. Resultant of the two field is called a law. It is called a tangent law. The two magnetic fields mutually perpendicular to each other, and in this place, the bar magnet or magnetic needle is freely suspended. The bar magnet or magnetic needle come to rest in the resultant of the two field. Result of the two field is called a tangent law. When a magnetic needle or magnet is freely suspended in mutually perpendicular uniform magnetic field. The bar magnet or magnetic needle is freely suspended to mutually perpendicular magnetic field. The magnetic needle come to rest in the direction of the resultant of the two field. Result of the two field is called a tangent law. The magnetic needle or bar magnet freely suspended in a two mutually perpendicular uniform magnetic field. The magnetic needle come to rest in the resultant of the two field. Result of the two field is called a tangent law. Next, discuss the construction of tangent law. Now discuss the construction of the tangent galvanometer. Discuss the construction of tangent galvanometer. The tangent galvanometer, the circular non-metallic frame is made up of the brass or wood. The circular non-metallic frame of the radius R is made up of the brass or wood. This non-metallic frame or coil is placed vertically in a horizontal base table. It is placed vertically horizontal base table. The circular non-metallic frame is made up of the brass or wood. This vertical coil is placed in a horizontal circular turntable. The horizontal circular turntable is provided three leveling screws. The three leveling screws are adjusted. The base table is exactly horizontal and the vertical coil also exactly vertical. The circular non-metallic frame is made up of the brass or wood. Is placed in a horizontal circular turntable. It provided three leveling screws. The three leveling screws are adjusted. The horizontal table is exactly horizontal and the vertical also exactly vertical. Then copper coil is wound on the inside the non-metallic frame. Copper coil wound on the inside the non-metallic frame is different number of turns. The different number of turns is used to measure different strength of the current. Different number of the turns is used to different strength of the current. A copper coil is wound inside the non-metallic frame is a different turns. Different turns is used to measure a different amount of current. The basic laboratory is used to 2 turns, 5 turns and 50 turns. The different turns is connected to the external circuit using the terminal 2 and the terminal 5 and the terminal 50. The different turns is measure the different amount of current. This different turns is connected to the external circuit using the terminal 2, 5 and 50. In this terminal is a common terminal. Next, the convex box is placed in the center of the circular coil at small upright projection is adjustable. It is a convex box. This convex box is placed in the center of the coil on small upright projection. Is also adjustable. A convex box having a magnetic needle and aluminum pointer. is mutually perpendicular to each other. The convex box consists of magnetic needle and a aluminum point is mutually perpendicular to each other. The center of the convex box and aluminum pointer, center of the convex box and aluminum pointer exactly coincide on a center of the circular coil of the radius r. Center of the circular coil of the radius r is exactly coincide with the center of the magnetic needle at a aluminum pointer. The aluminum pointers move over. Aluminum pointer move over the circular graduated scale. The aluminum pointer move over the circular graduated scale to separate by a 4 quadrant, each 0 to 90. Each 0 to 90 is 0, 0, 90, and the 0 it is a 90. The convex box is placed at center of the coil at small upright projection is adjustable. The convex box having a magnetic needle and an aluminum pointer and a thin aluminum pointer. The aluminum pointer move over the circular graduated scale to separate by a 4 quadrant 0 to 90, 0 to 90, 0 to 90. To aluminum pointer read the values. Aluminum pointer read the values. To eliminate the parallax error. Eliminate the parallax error. The mirror is placed below the aluminum pointer. To see the values aluminum pointer to exactly coincide with the below the mirror to read the correct values. So eliminate the parallax error. To mirror is placed below the aluminum pointer. Below the aluminum pointer. The construction of the galvanometer, the circular non-metallic plate is made up of the brass or wood. Is placed in a vertical, the horizontal base table. Horizontal base table is provided with 3 level screws. 3 level screws are adjusted. The horizontal base table exactly horizontal and the vertical coil also exactly vertical. The non-metallic frame also exactly vertical. The copper coil wound over the inside the non-metallic frame. The different number of turns is measured the different amount of current. That different number of turns is connected to the axial circle. Terminal 2, terminal 5 and terminal 50 is a common terminal. The basic laboratory is used to do 5 turns, 2 turns, 5 turns and 50 turns. The convex box is placed here. Small upright projection is adjustable. The convex box consists of magnetic needle and aluminum pointer. The aluminum pointers move over the circular graduated scale. Is separated by a 4 quadrant 0 to 90, 0 to 90, 0 to 90. To read the aluminum pointer values, to eliminate the parallax error, the mirror is fixed below the aluminum pointer. So next, before start of the experiment, the following procedure is followed. Or following precaution is followed. What is the precaution? The first one is all the magnetic material and the magnet is away from the instrument. All the near the magnets and the magnetic material is kept away from the instrument. This is the first point, first precaution. The second precaution, use the split level. Using the split level, the leveling screws are base adjusted. Leveling screw of the base is adjusted, and small aluminum pointers is exactly horizontal, and the vertical coil also exactly vertical. The base table is adjusted. The using split level to place on the convex box. Using leveling screws to adjust it, and the aluminum pointer along the exactly horizontal and the vertical frame also exactly vertical is before the start of the experiment. The second point, the plane of the coil is kept parallel to the small magnetic needle. The plane of the coil is exactly parallel to the magnetic needle. Magnetic field along the parallel to the vertical coil is adjusted. The vertical coil is rotated its vertical axis. The vertical axis is a magnetic meridian. The small magnetic needle exactly parallel to the plane of the coil. This plane of the coil is rotated vertically. This axis is a magnetic meridian of the coil. This adjusted before a start of the experiment. The next precaution, the convex box is rotated such that aluminum pointer reads 0 to 0. Aluminum pointer reads 0 to 0. the convex path is rotated, the harmonic point value is 0 to 0. So the all magnetic material just get away from the instrument. The second one is using the level screws and the split level, the small magnetic needle and the small magnetic needle exactly horizontal and the coil also is exactly vertical. The third case is the small magnetic needle along the parallel to the plane of the coil. And the third last one is the harmonic point reads or magnetic harmonic point reads value 0 to 0. Harmonic point value reads 0 to 0. This is a precaution to follow the before start and the experiment. Next, no current flowing through the coil. No current flowing through the coil. The small magnetic needle just along the horizontal component of the earth magnetic field. There is no current flowing through the coil. The small magnetic needle so along the horizontal component of the earth magnetic field is a B gauge. This is a bar magnet. This is here. This is here. Is no current flowing through the bar magnet. So no current flowing through the coil. The bar magnet is along the direction of the earth magnetic field B gauge. Now switch on. Now switch on. The current flowing, the electric current flowing through the passes through the coil. The magnetic field is produced in the center of the coil. This coil is vertical coil. 2 tails or 5 or 50 tails is current flowing through the coil. Is a current flowing through the coil. Due to the electric current, magnetic field is produced. Uniform magnetic field is produced. Center of the coil is uniform. The is a current flowing the switch on. I is a current flowing through the coil. 2 or 5 or 50 tails. The uniform magnetic field is produced in the center of the coil. Due to the magnetic field, the bar magnet get deflected at angle theta with respect to the horizontal component of earth magnetic field. Only horizontal component of earth magnetic field, the bar magnet along the direction of the earth magnetic field. Now current flowing through the coil, due to the electric current, is produced a magnetic field inside the coil. This magnetic field to along the normal to the plane of the coil. It is a magnetic field. I is a current flowing through the coil is produced in a magnetic field. In this magnetic field, normal to the plane of the coil. Magnetic field is passed through the normal to the plane of the coil. Due to the magnetic field, the expensive force in a bar magnet, the bar magnet get deflected at angle theta with respect to the horizontal component of earth magnetic field. So two magnetic field to act on bar magnet or magnetic needle. One is horizontal component of earth magnetic field, another one is a magnetic field due to the electric current passes through the coil. Magnetic field due to electric current passes through the coil. So two magnetic field to act on the magnetic needle. Magnetic needle come to rest on the resultant of the two fields at an angle theta with respect to the horizontal component of the earth magnetic field. No current passes through the coil. The small magnetic needle along the direction of the earth magnetic field. Now the current I passes through the coil. The magnetic field is produced in a inside the coil is uniform. The direction of the magnetic field is normal to the plane of the coil is B. So two magnetic field to act on the magnetic needle. The magnetic needle get deflected at the center of the two fields, making angle theta with respect to the horizontal component of the earth magnetic field. Now, the two magnetic field to act on the two magnetic field is B gauge horizontal component of earth magnetic field. B is a magnetic field due to the electric current passes through the coil. The magnetic field B due to the electric current in the coil to acting normal to the plane of the coil. Normal to the plane of the coil is a coil. This I current passes through the coil is produced magnetic field along the normal to the plane of the coil. Normal to the plane of the coil is B. Another one is a B gauge horizontal component of the earth magnetic field. So two magnetic field to act on the magnetic needle. Magnetic needle come to rest on the resultant of the two fields at an angle theta with respect to the horizontal component of earth magnetic field. So draw the triangle. So theta. So you see the triangle. The formula tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This is opposite side is along the x-axis B and adjacent side is along the y-axis B, adjacent side along the x-axis BH. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side B by BH. So B is equal to BH tan theta. B is equal to BH tan theta is equation number 1. B is a magnetic field due to electric current. BH is a horizontal component of the earth magnetic field. Next, when electric current passes through the circular coil, radius R having a number of turns N, the magnet of the magnetic field center. The I current passes through the coil is produced in a magnetic field center B. At the center B is uniform normal to the magnetic field. The magnitude of the magnetic field center are normal to the plane of the coil. B is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R. In this formula is discussed later. The magnetic field center of the coil, current carrying the magnetic field due to current carrying center of the coil. B is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R. Mu naught is a permeability of free space or vacuum. N is a number of turns. I is a current passes through the coil. R is a radius of the coil. So current passes through the coil produces a magnetic field at center. B is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R. It is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. B equal to BH tan theta. This is equation number 2. B is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R. The equating to equation. Equating to equation 1 and 2. From the equation 1 and 2. BH tan theta is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R. BH is a horizontal component of electromagnetic field. Mu naught is a permeability of free space or vacuum. N is a number of turns. I is a current. R is a radius. To find the horizontal component of electromagnetic field, BH is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R tan theta. You know the all values for the electromagnetic field at a place. To find the all values, find the electromagnetic field at a place. The unit of magnetic field is a Tesla. B is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R tan theta. Theta is the bar magnet get deflected at an angle theta with respect to the horizontal component of the electromagnetic field. It is BH. It is a bar magnet north and south. It is angle theta. So mu naught is a constant value 4 pi to 10 power minus 7 in per meter. N is a number of turns. I is a current flowing through the coil. R is a radius of the coil. Theta is a bar magnet get deflected making angle theta with respect to the horizontal component of the electromagnetic field. You know the all values. Find the horizontal component of the earth magnetic field and in this place the unit of magnetic field is a Tesla.